On the outside of our homes, we have often a plug that's up in the soffit, and that plug that's there is for lights of some kind or whatever you'd like to install that you don't want to have a cord hanging. It's nice and convenient to have the plug up in there. We don't leave that plug on all the time. We actually put a switch on that plug just so you can turn it on as needed. You could even replace the plug with a timer of some kind. So sometimes that switch for that outside plug is located inside of the closet at the front entrance. So that's why if you have a switch in here, there's a switch but no light. It's because the light controls the plug on the outside. However, sometimes the switch for that exterior plug that's in the soffit will be located next to your regular plugs that you have at the front entrance. So you may have a switch that doesn't seem like it does anything. It could be turning on and off that outside plug.